In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the copy trading feature on the platform CoinEx. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on CoinEx, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $100 of bonuses. And over time, they often have different events running where you can get cashbacks and additional bonuses that you're automatically qualified for. To create your account, simply enter your email address right here and set a password or use one of those options, and then you're ready to go. If you already have an account, you can still enter a code within 7 days after your sign up by simply going up here to your account settings, then go to account overview, and then you will see this forgot to enter referral codes. Click on click to enter, and then simply enter the invitation code CTG, and then you will still be able to qualify. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you'll get to this page right here, and the first thing I want to show you is how you can deposit money. So first, how to deposit crypto. You simply go up here to your assets and click on deposit. Then up here, choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. So you can choose between USDT, Bitcoin. There's many of them right here. You can also search for a cryptocurrency. In my case, I will choose USDT. Then I also need to select the network. You can choose whichever one you want. In my case, I'm going to choose the Solana network. Just make sure that you're using the same network in here as for the other wallet or exchange where you're sending the money from to here. Then down here, you will be presented with your personal deposit address, which you can then copy to your clipboard right here and then send the crypto to here. It usually only takes a few minutes for the money to arrive, and then you have it on here. If you don't have any crypto yet, or you want to deposit with fiat money, so euro, US dollars, British pound, whichever fiat currency you have, there's also an option for that. You can simply go up here to buy crypto and then go to third-party trading, then choose buy USDT. Here on the right side, select your fiat currency, in my case euro, and then down here you will see those different third-party providers. You can see right here what payment methods they support, and if you find one, simply click on buy, and what it will do is it will buy with your fiat money USDT, and then you will have that USDT on your account right here. To check if any of your deposits have already arrived, you can always go back here to your assets and then go to spot, and then right here in your spot account under assets, you will always see if any of your deposits have already arrived. In my case, you can see I have the USDT right here. If you deposited with something other than USDT, we first need to convert it into USDT, and we can do that by simply going up here to exchange and then go to swap. Then up here, choose the cryptocurrency you still have. For example, if you deposited with Bitcoin, just choose Bitcoin up here. For the amount, you can just choose the maximum amount that you will see available right here, and we will transfer it to USDT. And then simply click on swap, and then you will have whatever crypto you have converted into USDT where we need it. Now we can go back here to our assets. Let's go to the asset overview. All right, so once we have money deposited to our account, we can now go to the copy trading feature, and you can get there by going up here to futures and then click on copy trading. Then you will see an overview of all these different traders. You can filter them right here or search for a specific one. I'm just simply going to browse through them and simply choose this one right here, for example. Then I can see all the statistics that I want to know about this trader. I can see their total profit so far, how many trades he's done, how many trades he's won, how many followers he has. So all these different statistics about the trader, also what trading pairs he's trading the most. If I found a trader that I want to follow, I can simply go up here and click on copy. Then I can first of all see that his profit sharing is 30%. That is actually a bit high. Some others only have like 10%, 15%. So in this case, 30% of the profits will go to this trader, and the remaining 70% will be our own profits. Then down here, I will see my available balance, and I can say with how much money I want to follow. By the way, it's in USDT in this case. If you don't have your money in USDT right here, you can simply go to exchange, click on swap, and then first swap any crypto that you have into USDT if you don't have that yet. And then I can just type in the amount I want to follow this trader. In my case, I'm simply going to choose $50 for now. And here I'm going to just leave that at copy lead trader. I could also do some customization in here, but I'm just going to leave that to the default. And I could also place a take profit or stop loss if I want to do that. So let's say I want to get out at 300% of profit, and I want to also get out at like a maximum of 10% loss or whatever. I could easily do that. You can also see how much profit and loss you would make then. But in my case, I'm simply going to leave that off. Click on agree to the terms and click on copy now. And then I will be copying this trader. I can then go to my copy trades, and I can directly see, okay, I'm following now this current trader with $50. I would also be able to see the history in here, and if I go to view details, I will see once the trader opens positions, I will see all the trades in here and therefore monitor everything that the trader is doing and how my current profits are. If I want to edit any of the settings, I can just go in here to the copy settings and then edit any of these values that I set up at the beginning. So I could also take some balance out or put more in. And if I just want to unfollow the trader completely, I can just click on end copy trading right here, click on end now, and then I'm also out of the copy trading again. Don't forget to pick up the best sign up bonus possible by creating an account with the first link down from the video description, or if you already have an account, go to your profile and enter the code CTG to still be on board. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.